Hey gamer, today I will unbox this AMD Ryzen 7 AM5 socket CPU, install it on the ASROCK Pro RS motherboard, and upgrade the cooling with the Noctua Chromax cooler. This 7800X3D CPU offers an amazing gaming price and performance experience. It has 8 cores and 16 threads, with a base clock around 4.2 GHz and a boost clock up to 5.0 GHz. The 3D V cache offers an additional 64 MB of L3 cache, effectively increasing the total cache to 96 MB, which is a major factor in the performance boost. But now, let's play some background music and get to work.